so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and do you see what I have? Yeah, I have some crafts. I sure do love crafts. Check it out. I have a pair of scissors. I have a stapler. And then I have some construction paper. Yeah! Ooh, and look over here. Yeah, a Christmas tree. Oh, it's that time of year. Yeah, it's the holiday season. Hey, and you and I, in this video, yeah, we're gonna make a Christmas tree chain decoration. I'm really excited. All right, this is gonna be so much fun. So, first what you need to do is make sure there's a grown-up around you if you're going to use scissors. Yeah, and they will teach you how to use them properly. Yeah, so I'm first gonna make a pink stripe. Actually, I'm gonna make a few of them. That's enough pink. All right, how about some orange? Okay, we'll start with just 2 colors, and then we'll add some more colors later. But first, you need to wrap this around from end to end. Yeah, just like that. And then take your stapler and staple it down. Oh, hello. Wow, it's an orange circle. All right, now what we're gonna do is take a pink stripe, put it through the orange stripe. There we go. Yeah, perfect. We did it. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna wrap that around the orange stripe. Okay, and then we're going to staple that one together. Whoa, do you see what we're doing? Yeah, now they don't even come apart. Okay, let's put the orange one through. Yeah, see? And then loop it around, and then staple it. Whoa! Whoa! So cool. All right, I think we're ready for some more colors. Okay, let's take some red. How about blue and yellow? Whoa! Look at what we made! Wow, I think this is a pretty good size. So now what you want to do with your chain is go to your Christmas tree. Yeah, and then you wrap it around the tree. How about let's start right here. There we go. That looks like a great place to start. And then I'm gonna wrap it back this way. I'm not even gonna go around the whole tree. Okay, how about like that? How does that look? Yeah, that is awesome. We have done such a great job decorating this Christmas tree together. But we have another craft to make. Yeah, and this craft is a snowflake ornament. Yeah, have you ever seen a snowflake before? Yeah, it's basically just frozen rain falling down from the sky. Wow. How about just a plain white one? Yeah, that's like the color of real snowflakes. And this one, let's make another big one. There we go. Let's fold it, and fold it. There we go. Okay, so now let's do a little bunch of cuts. Wow, all right, how does this look? Do you think this is gonna turn out really cool? Yeah. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we take a hole puncher and punch in a hole at this stage? That's cool. Okay. Oh, it's a little tough. Ugh. Actually, we might need to unfold it one time. Whoa, speaking of unfolding it, it looks so cool. All right, how about let's make a hole punch right there. Whoa. Let's make a hole punch right here. Yeah, another one right here. And another one right here. Okay, now let's unfold it. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa! This one is awesome! Whoa! All right, we definitely have a lot of holes already punched in it. So I think we should just hang it up and put it on the tree. Whoa! Okay, here we go. How about right over here? Right there? Yeah, that looks great. How does that snowflake look? Yeah, good job. Wow, we have done such a great job decorating this tree. But we're not done yet. Yeah, we need to continue the decorations with another at-home ornament. And this is a snowflake ornament. So what we have here, as you know, we have some colorful paint, a hot glue gun, some paper clips, some paint brushes for the paint, some felt balls. Wow, they're so colorful. Look at them. And we have some craft sticks. Yeah, you've probably seen these before, haven't you? Yeah, they're like popsicle sticks. Yeah, 2 popsicle sticks. Whoa, and it actually says there's 1,000 sticks. Whoa, that is a lot of popsicle sticks. Okay, well, I think we should probably count them so then we can make sure that we got all 1,000 of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 997, 998, 999. Oh no! Oh, 999! Where's the 1,000th? Oh no. Hey! Yeah, you're right! Right up here! You got it! 1,000 popsicle sticks. Okay, well, we should probably get going on our craft now, huh? Now that we have all these popsicle sticks and all of our crafts. Okay, so first, let's take 1, 2, 3, and 4 popsicle sticks. And let's super glue, actually hot glue them together. So let's put just a little bit right in the center. And this is very hot, so I would assume a grown-up will help you with this, okay? I'm gonna put another one right there. And then put it just like that. Okay. Another one right there. And we're gonna go just like that. Yeah, how does that look? Whoa, whoa. Looks really good, huh? Yeah, looks like a snowflake. Okay, we're not done yet. We need to decorate the snowflake. So, I'm gonna take the hot glue gun and put some right on the edges and put some of these colorful balls. Wow, how does this look? Yeah. Okay, we'll let that sit right over there while we make another one. And this one, we'll use paint. Look at that. Hey, I think we have room for one more. Now that looks like a great snowflake. Okay, now this one, let's use some paint. Orange, blue, red, yellow, green, Wow. It looks really good. Do you like it? Yeah, I like it too. Wow, turned out really good. Let's look at all the colors. We have green, yellow, blue, orange, red, and that's all. Okay, well, last step. We need to hot glue another hanger on the top. Yeah, there we go. And you could actually, hot glue some of these soft balls on it too, but we're not gonna. We're just gonna hot glue right on the orange, because that was the first color we did. So it's actually nice and dry. There we go. Perfect. Awesome. That looks really, really good. Okay, we'll let this one dry, but I think in the meantime, we should take this one, the one we did earlier, and put it on the tree. Wow. Okay, how about right near the top, huh? Yeah. Let's take the hook it right there. Wow. How does that snowflake look? Wow. I love it. Good job. Okay, I think we should go get the other one. Woo. Okay. Yep, I think it's dry. Okay, perfect. All right, how about right down here? Yeah. Wow. Look at all of these holiday crafts we made together. Whoa, did you have fun? Yeah, I sure did too. I really enjoyed making all of these with you. Well, I'm excited to see what ones you make this year. Yeah, are you gonna make the chain? Yeah, what a great tree decoration that is. You could also probably hang it from a wall. Whoa, what about the construction paper snowflakes? Wow, they look so cool, huh? Yeah. Ooh, the popsicle sticks. Yeah, the snowflakes made from popsicle sticks. Wow, those are also so cool and colorful. Maybe you'll make just one, maybe you'll make all three. Yeah, well, I can't leave before decorating the tree one more time. How does that look? Real good. That looks really good, huh? Whoa, so cool. Whoa, these are so colorful. That looks perfect, huh? Wow, what a beautiful tree! Yeah! That was awesome. Well, you did such a great job with all these crafts and decorations that we've done. I just want to wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for being my friend. See you again. Bye-bye. Well, I had a lot of fun with you, but this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. Bye-bye.
Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Hi, I'm Mika.
This is my best friend.
Oh, Blippi, you're my best friend.
No, Mika, you're my best friend. Today, we're at Discovery Cube in Los Angeles, California.
That's right, and there's so many fun things to explore inside.
Yeah, do you want to explore with us? Yeah, let's go. Whoa, check it out.
Yeah, a place you can sit and color.
Yeah, and look at these cute chairs.
Oh.
Whoa.
They're so little.
Yeah, and it's the color blue, one of my two favorite colors.
Yeah, hey, what color's mine?
Whoa, check it out.
Green.
Wow, cool. Whoa, I feel really short.
Me too.
All right.
Okay, let's see.
I
Wow.
have a bunny I could draw and color in. Ooh, what do you
I
have?
think I'm gonna color this cow.
Ooh. Maybe I could do a monkey?
Oh yeah, you should do the monkey. That's so cute.
Ooh, and let's see. Let's
Yes.
I'll just do the monkey.
Okay.
You're gonna
I'll
do the cow?
Yep.
All right. Let's see. I'm gonna make mine a multicolored monkey.
I'm gonna make mine a green cow.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna draw the nose green. Woo. Ooh. And then maybe his mouth blue. Whoa.
Wow, he's so cool looking, Blippi.
Yeah. Woo. Let's see. Whoa, a green cow.
Yeah.
You're so creative.
Oh, thank you.
So cool. Look at this.
Whoa, purple ears.
Wow. Almost done. And I'll just make them all brown. Yeah. There
What
we
funny
go.
looking animals.
I know. What's your favorite animal? Wow. So cool. Wow.
Can you imagine if you saw a green cow outside of your car window?
That's so silly.
What would you do?
I'd be like, whoa, look, a green cow. I wonder if you make green milk.
Whoa, green milk. I didn't think about that.
I know. All right. Do you like my monkey?
Do you like my cow?
Whoa. That's awesome. Good job, Mika.
Good job, Blippi.
Whoa, check this out.
Whoa!
Wow.
A submarine!
Yeah, submarines are vessels that go under the water.
Yeah!
Whoa, looks like we can go inside.
Whoa!
Whoa, hello.
Hi!
Maybe we can peek out the windows and see some ocean creatures.
Yeah, let's go!
Whoa. Whoa.
Hello?
Hello. Oh, I see a dolphin.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, look, an octopus! Hello!
Whoa. Octopuses change colors.
Wow!
Whoa. Oh, look at that. A sea star.
Oh, it's so pretty!
Whoa. So cool.
Aw.
That was so much fun. I love the ocean.
Me too!
Whoa. Check this area out.
Blippi, this
Yeah?
looks like a fabulous place to put on a show!
Yeah. Let's have the Blippi and Mika
Show!
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Action. Oh, I'm so tired. I've been hiking for hours.
Oh, are you okay? I have some water for you over here.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm just the water lady. You can call me Mika.
Thank you so much. Did you get this from that stream?
Yep, right next to that green cow.
Whoa, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so nice.
Aw.
Wow, yeah, good job, Mika. Let's see what else we have.
Whoa, do you know what this is?
Yeah! Looks like a veterinarian's office.
That's right. See all the animals waiting for checkups?
Whoa, looks like a doggy.
Aww.
Ooh, another doggy.
Aw, look at the cat winking. Meow. Meow.
So cute. Woo, and look right here. A parrot.
Hello.
What do you have over there?
Oh, more cats. Meow. 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 They're all here so the vet can take care of them. Meow.
All right, ready for the show?
Yep.
All right.
Okay, where's my next patient?
Hey, help me, my gerbil needs help.
Oh no, your gerbil, what's wrong?
I don't know, he was like, I'm hungry, I am hungry.
He did just say he's hungry.
I
Well,
know.
you're in luck because I have some gerbil treats. You
Yeah!
have to remember to take care of your pets by feeding them.
Oh, Frankie, you're not
Aw.
hungry anymore. I love you so much.
Little Frankie, you did a good job at the doctor's.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. Wow, good
Whoa,
job, Mika.
that was
awesome.
Wow!
Whoa.
A supermarket!
Yeah, let's see what they sell.
Ooh.
Whoa. Oh, look, the checkout stand.
Oh yeah, where you can check out your own groceries.
Yeah, but first, we need to buy some groceries.
Let's see what they have.
Oh, yum.
Ooh, do you know what this is?
Yeah, a pineapple.
Oh, yummy.
They're so sweet.
Yep,
Oh,
more healthy food.
yeah. Some loose broccoli.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I love having cheese on top of broccoli.
Whoa, that sounds delicious.
Yeah, you should try it.
And some tomatoes.
Ooh, yum.
Ooh, I'm getting hungry.
Oh, look, some apples.
Apples.
Yeah, these are red apples. Ooh, and look right here, some green apples.
Yummy. I like green apples most.
Really? I like red apples.
Oh,
Cool. Ooh.
ooh, some orange carrots.
Oh, orange! That's one of my 2 favorite colors. That's why I like carrots.
Yeah, they're so crunchy and yummy.
Yeah, they're good for your eyes too.
Oh, Blippi.
Whoa.
Look at all of these sweet treats.
Yum!
Wow, look at that chocolate cake.
It does look really yummy. I only have dessert after I eat a lot of healthy food though.
Yep, me too.
Woohoo! This grocery store is so cool.
Yeah.
Has tons of food. Ooh! And look,
Condiments.
yeah, some ketchup,
Mhm.
some mustard. Yum!
Yep. And here's some bread to make sandwiches.
Yum! Woo!
Whoa, welcome to the seafood section.
Whoa! Looks like there's some fish in here.
Woo.
Trout. Ooh, some Alaska salmon.
Wow,
Pretty
this
cool.
is a very nice grocery store.
Yeah. Oh, yum! Orange juice. It's yummy and it's orange.
Yeah. Ooh,
Ooh.
cheese. I love cheese.
Cheese, please. I love mac and cheese.
Ooh, me too. Ooh,
Yeah.
That's really yummy.
Ooh.
Some milk.
Ooh, and some soy milk. Have you ever tried soy milk before? It's yummy.
There's all different kinds of milk.
Yep. Soy milk. Ooh, cow's milk. Ooh, and there even like goat's milk.
Mhm.
Oh, I don't see any here though.
Nope. They must be out.
Yep. Oh, the electronics section? Wow, cool. DVDs.
Wow. I haven't seen these in a grocery store in a long time.
I know, DVDs and CDs.
Yeah.
That is cool.
And things for your yard.
Ooh, yeah, some hoses. So then we can water our plants.
Yep, and a watering can.
Wow, cool. All right, let's keep exploring.
Here we go.
Whoa! Check it out! A garbage truck.
Yeah, look at it. And here's a bunch of trash on this conveyor belt.
Yeah, and it looks like there's also compost here too.
Right, and things that you can recycle.
Yeah, shall we sort?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, do you see this? Yeah, it looks like a bunch of flowers.
Yeah.
That's compostable.
Good job.
Yeah. When you put that in with a bunch of other natural things like food or leaves or branches, then from there, then eventually it turns into soil. Ooh.
And look, an empty plastic bottle. You can definitely recycle this. Oh, here's another one.
Wow, some more leaves. Actually, these are flowers. Whoa, there we go. Ooh, and some leaves. Yeah. Whoa.
Here's an empty bottle of milk. Can you recycle this? Yeah. Ooh, bag of old potato chips or an empty bag of chips. You can't recycle that. Put that back for the trash.
And we have some bark. Tree bark. Woohoo, this is awesome. Whoa.
This?
Check this out. What does it look like to you?
It kind of looks like a beaker.
Yeah, a really big beaker. Yeah, that scientists used to put things in.
That's right.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we
love
should have a beaker dance party.
Yes, great idea, Blippi.
Yeah! Woohoo! Wow! Woo, check this out over here.
What's that?
I don't know, kind of looks like a funnel.
Whoa! And look, you must drop these little white balls right here, and let's see what happens. Whoa!
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 Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa! That was awesome, Mika. All right, here we go. It just keeps going. Whoa! Shall we throw multiple balls at once and then you can take a closer look?
That'll be fun.
All right. Where are they? Okay, I have two.
I have one.
All right.
Oh, here's another one.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
How many balls are we gonna do? 1, 2.
3, 4.
All right, let's go.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, cool! Yeah! Whoa, that was so much fun!
Yeah, what a great day at Discovery Cube.
Yeah, we learned so much together.
I always have so much fun learning with you, Blippi.
I love learning with you, Mika. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Wait a second. Mika, how do you spell your name?
Oh, I'll show you. It's M-E-E-K-A-H. Mika.
Cool. See you again. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're gonna learn about sports cars. Oh, hey! Okay, now let's learn the interior parts of the blue sports car. Okay, first things first. Safety first. We have to put on our seat belt. Wow, just like in a normal car, you have to put on your seat belt in a sports car. All right, we have to shut the door. Wow, what an interesting door. Ooh, look at this car. The inside of this car is the color black. Ooh, whoa, what's this in my hand? Huh, this is a steering wheel. And can you think of any other vehicles with steering wheels? Yeah, a tractor has a steering wheel. Ooh, a monster truck has a steering wheel. Ooh, even a go-kart has a steering wheel. A backhoe has a steering wheel. And even a ship has a steering wheel. That's funny. Ooh, look at this. This is a navigation system. So then you know where you're going when you're driving the sports car. See these? These are paddle shifters. This is how you shift the car. Ooh, okay, now let's learn the exterior parts of the blue sports car. Come on. Ooh, look at this. Wow, a big wheel and tire. It is so big. Look at it. It's like that big. Wow, do you see the blue brake? I heard these cars go so fast. They need a really big brake to slow down the car. Look. Wow. It's such a pretty blue color. Look at it. Huh, I love the color blue. Just like my shirt, my hat, and my shoes. Whoa! Ooh, look up here. Ooh, how the car gets all of its power is the engine. Let me pop the hood. Whoa! Look Look at that! The door just opened up vertically. That is so crazy. Okay, let me pop the hood. All right, now for the engine. Whoa. Huh, wait a second. There's nothing in here. That's funny. Oh, I know. The engine on the sports car is in the back. All right, here we go. Whoa, that is a massive engine. This has a V12. Oh! That is really powerful. Okay, here we go. Woo, look at this. Whoa, this is the exhaust. There's one big exhaust right here. This is where the exhaust goes out from the engine. Whoa, do you see this? This is where you put the gas inside this car. Ooh, and down here, that's where air goes in to cool down the car. That is so cool. Oh, hey, look. There's a baby seat in there. That's silly. Ooh, and last but not least, ooh, headlights. Wow, it looks like there's 2 headlights. 1, 2. Wow! That was awesome learning about sports cars with you. I want to give a special shout out to Sven. Thank you so much, Sven, for making this video possible. He is so cool. Wait, bye-bye. But since we're at the beach, I'm gonna go swimming, okay?